Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see how we can split a text in MS Excel. Okay, here we have a table in which we have name, the columns name, first name and last name. So from the name we have to extract the first name and last name. So I will show you how we can extract the first name and last name from this column name. Okay, select the data in the column name or the data which you need to extract. Then select the data tab menu in the top, click on that, and in that you can see text to column option. Click on that. So here you can see a new window, convert text to columns wizard. Yeah, choose the type that describes your data. It's delimited. Okay, click on next. Yeah, by default it's coming space. The delimiter is the space. Okay, based on the space you have to extract that, split the text. Okay, click on that, then click on next, then click on destination for the extracted cells to appear. Click on, I will click on here, then again click on finish. That's already data here. Click on OK. See, you have successfully extracted the first name and last name from the column name in this table. So that's it how we can do it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you enjoyed this video, please provide your comments and also like, share, subscribe, and follow my channel for future videos. Till I come with my next video, please stay tuned. Bye.